Okay, so I want to talk about something a lot of creators ask me. How do you actually post every day without burning out or just quitting after 2 weeks? I have been doing this myself, so let me tell you what actually works and not what sounds good in theory. Most people starts with big plan. I will post a high production video every single day, scripted, edited, thumbnail, design, everything perfect. That plan works for about 5 days. The life happens and the whole system collapses because it was never built to survive a bad day. And the real problem here is what nobody tells the new creator. Consistency doesn't fail because of the laziness, it fails because the daily requirement is too big to survive a real life. If your daily video needs 2 hours of editing, one bad day you skip once, skip twice, and it becomes easier. That's how the channel dies, not from the one missed day, but from never planning for the missed day in the first place. So here is the actual fix. Build your own process around your worst day, not for your best day. Ask yourself, what's the smallest version of the video which I can post immediately? For me, that's the single phone recording once, one a clear idea, minimal editing, not my best work, but something which I can immediately post, right? Not a perfect video, but I can immediately post. So the one rule that keeps the whole thing alive: never miss 2 uploads in a row. Missing one day happens everyone, but missing 2 days in a row where most channels quietly die. Because that's when I will catch up tomorrow, turns I will restart the next month. So if you miss a day on your job, to again come back and next day immediately post. Even the smallest version, okay, not the full one, right? So if you are trying to post daily, stop planning around your best days, plan around your worst day. Make the smallest version postable, never miss twice. Genuinely, what keeps me going? Tell me in the comment. And what's your smallest possible version of video on your worst day, right? So just go for it.